Hello children, now we are going to discuss the next trigonometric function, which is fx, so y is equal to 10x. We discussed already sin x and cos x. We discussed in detail, we showed you the graph of the function. We discussed the domain, range, the period, the roots, minimum, maximum values. Now let us see this y is equal to 10x. You see 10x is equal to, if you see 10x is defined as, 10x can be written as 10x as sin x upon cos x. Sin x upon cos x. And if cos x becomes 0, if cos x is 0, if cos x becomes 0, if cos x is equal to 0, then 10x will not be defined. 10x will not be defined. Will not be defined. Why? Because if in a function, if in the denominator you get 0, then you get the form what? A definite number upon 0, which is not defined, So cos x is 0 when? Cos x is 0, we told you cos x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. We discussed that. Whenever we will have odd multiples of pi by 2, cos x will be 0. So that means in this denominator, cos x is 0 when x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and that means when the odd multiples of pi by 2 will be there, cos x is not defined, and if cos x is not defined, 10x will also not be defined, because for 10x, cos x is coming in denominator, and the value of cos x will become 0 at x is equal to 2n plus 1 upon pi by 2. So please notice in this curve. And one more thing, if 10x is equal to sin x upon cos x, and if I suppose put sin 0 is 0, sin 0 is 0, but cos 0 is 1, so 0 upon 1 is 0. So when it is n pi, the 10 will be 0. Now notice in this curve that at pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, it is between pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, the curve is passing through the 0, but at pi by 2 it is not defined. That means the curve is moving towards pi by 2, but it is never touching pi by 2. Similarly, it is moving downward toward minus pi by 2 if you see the curve, but it is never touching the line minus pi by 2. At pi it is 0. At what many places this 10 is 0? If you notice, 10 is 0. 10 is 0 here at x is equal to 0. It is at x is equal to minus pi. At x is equal to minus plus pi. X is equal to plus 2 pi. X will be minus 2 pi. That means it will be 0. It will be passing through these points wherever it is n pi, where n is an integer, But when it is odd multiples of pi by 2, like pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2, the curve is not touching. Just notice from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, when the curve is going towards pi by 2, curve is going towards the line pi by 2, the curve is going towards the line pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2, but it is not touching that line. It is approaching, but it is never going to touch that line. So it is not defined at pi by 2. The 10 is not defined at pi by 2. Similarly, when it is coming towards minus pi by 2, it is approaching this line. You can say x is equal to minus pi by 2, but it is never touching minus pi by 2. Similarly, it is never touching minus 3 pi by 2, and of course it is not touching minus pi by 2. Here, and 10x is sin x upon cos x, it is going to be 0, where I have shown on the curve, on the line x-axis, I have shown the green where it is cutting. These are the roots of this. These are the roots of 10. These are the roots of the 10, function of 10. So let me write down further for you what is the domain, what is the range. Let us see domain. It is defined for all values except where it is touching. Where it is not touching, it is moving toward those points at the odd multiples of pi by 2. So it will be r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. You subtract those from the set of real numbers. You take out those numbers which are odd multiples of pi by 2, because at odd multiples of pi by 2 it is going to approach that line, but it is not going to touch that line. It is very important to understand it, because I tried to explain it to you through sin x upon cos x, and we said if cos x is 0, cos x is 0 when x is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2 means odd multiples, because 2n plus 1 represents always an odd number. It is always an odd, like 2n is always going to be even, 2n plus 1 will be always odd, multiplied by pi by 2. That means odd multiples of pi by 2. So the odd multiples of pi by 2, it is approaching that line, but it is not touching that line. That means it is not defined. It is not defined. It is not defined. It is not defined at that point. It is not defined at that point. Now let us see. So domain is r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. And what about the range? The range, there is no problem. It is moving from, it is covering from minus infinity to plus infinity. The range, it is range we take on y-axis. Domain is always along the x-axis. Range is along the y-axis. So range is set of real numbers, or we can say minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay. Now after that, what is f max? Nothing. Does not exist. Does not exist. F min does not exist. Why it does not exist? Because it is moving from minus, if range is going from minus infinity to plus infinity, so it is not defined. It does not exist. F minimum or F maximum does not exist. Is it periodic? Yes, it is periodic. This is a periodic function. Yes, it is a periodic function. What is the period of the function? What is the period of the function is pi. In first two cases, you notice the period of the function was 2 pi. For sin x as well as cos x, the period of the function was 2 pi. But for 10 pi, it is what? The period of the function is pi. What is the asymptotes? Asymptotes are these vertical lines. These are vertical lines towards which the curve is approaching, but curve is never touching them, So it is, asymptotes are at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. And roots are, what are the roots of the function? Roots of the function are n pi. It is cutting at even multiples of pi. Either it is 0, it is pi, it is 2 pi, it is minus pi, it is minus 2 pi. So the curve is always cutting at these points. So the roots are n pi. These are important things which you have to decide. And it is not a bounded function. It is not a bounded function. Why it is not bounded function? Because we cannot draw two horizontal lines in between which this function can be uh, will be in between those two lines. Because whenever I told you, whenever in the range infinity will be involved, then it will never be a bounded function. It is neither lower bound, it is not upper bound, because it is going minus infinity to infinity. So there is no binding with the function. It is going up. And of course, I have told you about this. Now let us see cot x. Fx is equal to cot x. Fx is equal to cot x. Now let me tell you, cot x is again cos x upon sin x. Cos x upon sin x. Like we told you about that in 10x it was sin x upon cos x, and if cos x was 0, then 10x was not defined. But here, if sin x is 0, it means x will be n pi. X will be n pi. X will be n pi. Please notice here. At 0, at pi, at 2 pi, at minus pi, at 2 pi, sine is 0. Sine n pi is always 0. Sine n pi is 0. So sine is 0 at this. So cot x will not be defined. So cot x will not be defined. Cos x will be not defined where? Cot x will not be defined where? Cot x will not be defined at n pi. N pi means even multiples of pi. Cot x will not be defined at even multiples of pi. Cot x will not be defined at x is equal to n pi. But if it is cot x is equal to, suppose, cos x upon sin x, cos pi by 2 upon sin pi by 2, suppose. Cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So it will be 0. It will be 0. So it is defined here. It is defined here. So 10x, cot x is defined. Cot x is defined is 0. Cot x is 0, actually not defined. Cot x is 0. Is 0 at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It will be at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It will be at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It will be 0. It will be 0 at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Cot x will be 0 at 2n plus 1 pi by 2. It will be passing through those points. So let me draw the graph for this and show it to you. Again, we have this x-axis. This is x, x dash. This is O, y, y dash. Let me draw 1, 2, 3, draw the 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now let us take another color. So we were discussing about this. We have drawn these vertical lines, and I'm going to draw the graph. As I told you that this cortex curve we are going to draw now. We are going to draw cortex curve, and for cortex we told you that where is it going to be 0, where this curve is going to pass through 0, and where it is going to be not defined. It is not going to be defined when sin x will be 0. When sin x will be 0, sin x is 0 at n pi. At n pi. So let me first of all write down all the values, then I'll show it to you. Like it is here, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Similarly, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. So we have got these points. Now it says it will pass through at pi by 2, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. It will be 0 at these places. So let me just say at 3 pi by 2 it will be minus pi by 2, minus here and here. And the curve is not defined. The curve is not defined where? Curve is not defined when sin x is 0, which is at n pi. Which is at n pi. So it's going to start from here. It will come down like this, pi by 2, and it will go like this, right? Similarly, it will start from pi, and similarly it is going to start from here, it's not going to touch these lines 2 pi or 0 or minus pi or minus 2 pi. They're going to move closer to those points. They're going to move closer to those points. They're going to move closer to those points, not touching. They will not touch. Like here it is showing touching, so I'm just removing that. And I will see that it is not touching, it is moving towards it. It's not touching. It's not touching, but it is moving towards. It is closing. The distance between the curve and the line at 2 pi, at pi, at 0, at minus pi, and minus 2 pi, the distance is closing. The distance is getting less and less when it moves toward that, but it is never going to be touching there. It is never going to be touching. If it is going to touch, then it will be defined. But we are saying it is not defined at that particular point. So let us see for cortex what is the domain. You see domain where it is not defined. It is not defined at 2 pi. So it will be r minus n pi. R minus n pi. It will not be defined at these points. It will not be defined at these points. What will be the range? Range, of course, is a set of real numbers, or you can say minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity is the range. What are the what is the, it is periodic. Periodic, yes, it is periodic. It is periodic. What is the period? Again, period is pi. Period is pi. Period is pi. Its period is pi. It is varying from where to where? Minus pi to 0, or 0 to pi, or pi to pi. So period is pi. Uh, F minimum does not exist. Does not exist. F maximum does not exist. Functions minimum value, fiction's maximum value does not exist, because it is going in the range. If you notice, it is going from minus infinity to plus infinity, and infinity is not a defined phenomena. It's not a defined phenomena. Now then we say, what are the roots? What are the roots? Now where is this cutting the x-axis? This is cutting the x-axis at odd multiples of pi by 2. It is cutting at the odd multiples of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. And asymptotes are vertical lines drawn towards which the graph is moving but not touching. So asymptotes are n pi. N pi. Asymptotes are n pi. It is moving towards this. So we have discussed the four functions: sin x, cos x, tan x, and cot x. Thank you.